Club.
I love my Cocoa Puffs. Milk with my Cocoa Puffs. Hey, Jeremy. Hey, what did you say? What did you say about that thing that you just said?
Oh, I said that
Oh, hey, Jeremy.
Hey, Brenda. I bet you if you knock down this, you'll probably be the baddest chick in town.
Okay. Hello. It's Magic Time, Josh. I have 2 tricks today. Show 'em. I'm gonna save the best for last. So here's the pointy thingy to this. Okay, here we go. Get my magic ready. And that's my magic. That wasn't my magic. Ready. First. So, take it. Boom. I take this little thingy. Hard to close. It's really thin, jammed. Wait. Got it. You're supposed to have 8, but I have 7. First of all, we're going to take our first needle, poke it through, and remember, there's solid pennies in there. And then we're going to, oops, this came off, we're going to poke it through the bottom, and that's how it's going to work. And watch and learn. Ooh. It's actually on the best. See, you see 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the? 1, 2. It's the 7th. Oh, here it is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's take it out. 1. 2. I was taking on Spanish, but then now I'm gonna see it, and the penny or whatever it is coming. Probably yes. Next trick is a disappearing box.